Hi, this is Jake Delano, here to tell you how you can add total mass to your bill of materials. For times when you need to have the total mass of your assembly included in the bill of materials, use the Show Top Level Assembly Row option in the three-dot menu. This will show the aggregation of mass along with any other properties that have aggregations associated with them at the bottom of your bill of materials. As you make changes to the BOM, your aggregation will change with you. Any overrides for masses of parts or subassemblies will update in the aggregation. Additionally, for mass, if there are any parts that don't have materials assigned, they just won't be included in the aggregation. If you decide to exclude an item from the bill of materials, that will also be excluded from the aggregation. Try it out for yourself and be sure to look out for more Onshape tech tips. Thanks for watching.